Hey you guys, welcome back. So if you've been messing with YouTube long enough, you know sometimes they like to take certain features away and then bring them back. Sometimes they don't though. I'm just showing you here on your home tab that there used to be a feature that they've now brought back recently. So let's go ahead and refresh my page, and right here this is called the oldest tab. And what this will show you is on that channel, whatever channel you're looking at, the oldest video that person uploaded. I really like this feature because that gives you a chance to see where that channel comes from and how it's grown. And I'm just really glad they brought it back. So I wanted to share that with you guys. You guys, if you found this helpful, leave this video a like and I'll see you guys next time. And if you did find this information helpful, I have more videos on YouTube tips and tricks. Go ahead and just click on one of these videos right here. I'll see you guys next time.